Hello everyone, welcome to part 143 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. In the last video we were able to display all the users in the end panel in the data table, but now we are going to do one more thing. We are going to show the latest users at the top. Here you can see that data table by default showing the old users at the top. It is showing the order at the ascending order. It is showing the records at the ascending order, but we want to show the records in descending order. Okay, for that we are going to do one small change, and not only for users but we are required to do this for all the modules because we want the latest data at the top. Okay, so here also we are going to search like show uh, data in data table in descending order. Okay, in descending, or how to show data in descending order in data table. Okay, so we are going to open the datatables.net website. Here it is clearly mentioned that this is the thing that we are required to do. Okay, so I'm going to first of all close all the files, and we'll open here the users.blade.php file, for which we are going to do this one that we were working in the last video. Okay, so here I'm going to open the layout.blade.php file. Here our data table is located. So first of all we are going to use this users data table. So I'm going to add the curly braces into it like this, and after that I will add here the order colon, and simply we are going to add the square brackets two times. Okay, like this, and then 0 comma, and after that descending. Okay, here the descending will come, means here descending or ascending will come. If you want to arrange the data in descending order, then descending, otherwise ascending. Okay, or we can use here the ascending like this. Okay, the same thing it is mentioning here as well, and we want to start from the 0 column. Okay, right from the first column, so that's why we have added the 0. And now we are going to check. I'm going to refresh here, and you can see the latest records are coming at the top. 17th id is coming at the top by default. Okay, earlier first id was coming, and now the 17th id is coming. Okay, so here if I will make it ascending like this, and then once again the first record will come at the top, that the record that was added earlier. Okay, so we will arrange it in descending order, and the same thing we are going to do with all the other tables. Like see, for some of the maybe it is not required, like for cms pages it may be not required, but for the categories, brands and products, I think it is required. So I'm just going to copy this one. uh, in fact I'm going to copy this one, okay, inside of this one, and we'll paste it, and we'll paste it for some of the columns, like for the categories, for the products, for the brands, and for the coupons as well. Okay, so now I'm going to check here, like if I will open the categories here, you can see earlier it is coming in the ascending order, and now if I will refresh, it is coming now in the descending order. So latest categories will come at the top. So same thing with the brands, you can see the latest brands are coming at the top. Okay, and same thing with the products, you can see the latest products are coming at the top. Okay, you can see the 17th id product is coming at the top now. Okay, by default. So you can able to update. If you want to update, you can just simply click here, so it will sort it. Okay, right from the descending or ascending. Okay, so like in the same way you can able to sort the product name, and other columns also you can able to sort. Okay, so this is the major benefit of the data tables, that you can able to sort any columns. Okay, as per your requirement. So along with that I have shown you that the search is also there, and you can able to use this search. Okay, as per your own requirement you can able to search any column here. This is the common search for the complete data. So you can make this change at your end. And now from the next video we are going to start working on the one page checkout. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.